All right, today I'm out here in some high wind environment, attempting to test out the HoverAir X1 Promax. I'm just gonna get right to it because the wind's out, it's chilly, and let's see what happens.
Middle, cycling mode.
Really curious to see how it does in a high wind environment. So, hello there, let's roll. So it's sticking behind me. This is a pretty low impact trail, no trees. So it's a good test of the winds to see how the HoverAir does. And it looks like it lost me already. So you gotta go back and find that before it gets blown away. Oh wow, it is blowing away. I better go get it. Let's give it another run. Good, buddy? Let's see if it's able to keep up. So far, so good. The hillside will probably be a little better, where we can get some support or some cover. Okay, I can hear it back there. Pretty good. I just lost it again. Hey everybody, how you doing? I think you saw that it was not able to even lock onto me. And it says strong wind detected. We've moved locations. Cool thing about the HoverAir is it will fold up and fit down here in my bike bag. But as you can see, there's some trees around, a little more obstacles, and there's some wind cover, which is important. So we're gonna try to see if the HoverAir can keep up. You ready, buddy? I mean, it's cool how fast that thing can launch and move. So some trees in the area. Good test for the obstacle avoidance. You can hear it back there. It is actually keeping up right now. Let's dodge in here, see how it does with the corners. Nope. Just lost it. It hit a tree branch. I don't know how much of that is the wind hitting it, but let's try it again.
Ski mode.
No, we don't want ski mode.
Cycling mode.
Yeah, we want cycling mode.
Middle, cycling mode.
All right, little guy, lock and let's go. Let's see how it does. Through the trees, all right. Another test right here for it. The wind's giving it a run for its money. Can I make it through there? Will it recover? Hey, it recovered. Hopefully you can see that one in post. Hit a tree branch. Followed me around. This will be a good test through here. And so far it's doing it. Oh. That'll be a good test. Nope. Down again. You can see the obstacles here are pretty severe, with a little branches, no leaves. So I'm gonna launch it again right here.
Middle. Cycling mode.
Let's see if it can follow me through. It's gonna hit the scrub. Yep. It struggles with those little branches. And then here's another defect that I'm noticing. The battery just sets in. There's no real latch. I mean, there's a little plastic latch there. Okay, a little bit further, and then we'll give this poor thing a break. Battery is at 28%.